Ethereum whales stage massive $2.5 billion accumulation, biggest since 2018. Will this trigger ETH breakout? ETH. Ethereum. Whale. Ethereum whales stage massive $2.5 billion single-day accumulation, adding 818,410 ETH on June 15, marking biggest whale buying since 2018, as wallets holding 1,000 to 100,000 ETH add 1.49 million tokens, worth $3.79 billion over 30 days. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ethereum whales are orchestrating their most aggressive accumulation campaign since 2018, with wallets holding between 1,000 and 10,000 ETH, as they add 818,410 ETH worth approximately $2.5 billion in a single day on June 15, according to data from Glassnode. This massive influx represents the highest daily inflow for this whale cohort in over 6 years, pushing their collective holdings to more than 16 million ETH compared to just 11.87 million ETH nearly a year ago. The accumulation comes as digital asset investment products recorded $1.9 billion in inflows for the 9th consecutive week. Ethereum has captured $583 million of these flows in its strongest weekly performance since February. Whale accumulation meets strong institutional belief. The whale accumulation surge coincides with broader institutional confidence, as spot-based Ether ETFs recently concluded a remarkable 19-day inflow streak that brought in $1.37 billion before experiencing a minor $2.1 million outflow. Ethereum name service witnessed a 313.5% surge in whale transactions, and Ethereum-based lending protocols recorded a 203.8% increase in large holder activity during recent weeks. The accumulation pattern extends beyond the largest whale cohort. Blockchain analytics firm Sentiment revealed that wallets holding between 1,000 and 100,000 ETH have collectively added 1.49 million ETH, worth approximately $3.79 billion, over the past 30 days. This sophisticated investor group's holdings increased by 3.72%, now controlling 41.61 million ETH, or nearly 27% of the total supply. The sustained accumulation occurs as retail traders have been taking profits, creating a classic wealth transfer from weak to strong hands that typically precedes significant price movements in cryptocurrency markets. Digital asset resilience defies global market turbulence. The massive Ethereum whale accumulation has occurred against a backdrop of global market uncertainty, with geopolitical tensions from the ongoing Israeli-Iran conflict weighing traditional risk assets. However, digital assets have demonstrated remarkable resilience. The $1.9 billion weekly inflow marked the 9th consecutive week of positive flows and contributed to a record year-to-date total of $13.2 billion in digital asset investment product inflows. This performance places digital assets alongside gold as one of the few asset classes attracting capital during periods of geopolitical stress. Regionally, the United States leads the charge with $1.9 billion in inflows, followed by meaningful contributions from Switzerland, $20.7 million, Germany, $39.2 million, Canada, $12.1 million, among others. The strength of Ethereum's positioning becomes even more apparent when considering that its recent $2 billion cumulative inflows represent 14% of total assets under management. Technical analysis reveals critical breakout setup. From a technical perspective, Ethereum's price action reveals a complex but potentially bullish setup across multiple timeframes. The asset is currently trading at $2,617 while consolidating near critical resistance levels. The 4-hour chart analysis shows Ethereum trapped within a broad sideways range following its recovery from the $1,400 major low. Multiple doji candlestick patterns suggest periods of indecision that often precede significant directional moves. The triangle pattern overlay indicates a consolidation breakout scenario is developing, with the price coiling for what could be a substantial move above the $2,800 to $2,900 resistance zone. The daily time frame provides crucial context for Ethereum's broader recovery trajectory. It shows successful reclamation of the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $2,130 and current challenges at the 38.2% retracement level around $2,307. Key technical levels include first resistance at $2,816 and primary support at $2,092, with the current consolidation just below the critical pivot at $2,407. The technical structure suggests that sustained whale accumulation could propel Ethereum toward the 0% retracement level around $2,879, representing the previous significant high before the major correction phase. However, the long-term chart presents a more nuanced picture with what appears to be a rising wedge pattern that has been developing over an extended time frame. While rising wedges typically represent bearish reversal structures, Ethereum's positioning near the wedge apex at $2,607 suggests a critical juncture where a breakout in either direction could result in significant price movement. The whale accumulation narrative strongly supports a bullish resolution, particularly if Ethereum can achieve a decisive break above the upper wedge boundary around $2,850 to $2,900 with strong volume. Looking forward, if whale buying pressure can drive Ethereum above the $2,800 resistance zone, initial targets extend toward $3,000 to $3,200, with more ambitious projections reaching the $3,500 to $4,000 region should the rising wedge pattern be invalidated upward. The key monitoring level remains the $2,570 support, as failure to hold this threshold could invite further downside and potentially delay the anticipated breakout scenario. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe, which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025. Google's AI Gemini predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Cardano by end of 2025. Price analysis. Pi coin price prediction. June 28th could change the future of Pi network. Here's why. For Days Ago, by Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Cardano founder confirms XRP support. New partnership coming? 2 hours ago, by Simon Chandler. Price analysis. ChatGPT's 42 Signal AI XRP price forecast flags violent swing pre-SEC ruling. 3 days ago, by Trent Allen. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025, by Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. March 3, 2025, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.